Don't open your eyes. What is this? Tell me.
Time.
Yay! Wow, Shaivi, you look so pretty. Wow! Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Don't mind my hair and my face. We are running so late. I was supposed to reach Chevy's house at 4. It's 5 o'clock. Ranjit is shit pissed at me. This is the saman I'm supposed to carry. Those are the gifts. इसमें कपड़े हैं और भक्ति दी का एक gift है. इसमें decoration का सामान है. ये मेरा laptop है. Because I have given a video to the brand. That's why मुझे late हुआ. My laptop was not cooperating, and you know they can tell me to make any change at any time. So I have to carry my laptop at all times. So yeah, let's go. We are very late. Let's go. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Thank you.
अरे हैंडशेक तो करो.
Thank you.
What are you drawing?
A penguin.
A penguin?
I'm drawing a nice bird.
Okay.
You get the cheek. Oh, let's go.
Look at this.
Kitty.
But we're supposed to hang it like this. What is this? It's a princess like you.
मानसी.
हाँ.
चलिए पट.
अजून एक बाकी आहे ना, तो प्रिन्सेस वाला कुठे गेला?
You got me watermelon.
Watermelon is not your gift.
Watermelon is also your gift, but
What is it? What do you think it is?
I think it's sweetie mango dolly.
okay.
It's a mango dolly. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Fast.
Fast.
Okay, you will not open your eyes, okay?
Okay.
What is it?
Okay, again close your eyes. Close your eyes. Again close your eyes. What is this? Don't open your eyes.
अरे.
Don't open your eyes. What is this? Tell me.
Time.
Yay! You got slime. Chevy's friends are calling Chevy.
Manasi,
Yes.
do you think we should remove these and put these? Huh, Manasi?
I'll put it. Give. Huh? So pretty your dress is, Chevy. Wow, Chevy, you look so pretty. Chevy. Hi, Elsa.
I don't know.
Listen, this is bigger. Which one is bigger? Tell me. This one's bigger. This one is bigger. Ask Pravya, which one's bigger, Pravya?
This.
Then, supposed to wear this. It has clips also, so it will not fall. Wait, let me just make your pony, then we'll wear that, okay? Stand here. Ow!
Wings.
Iska face dikha.
Fairy wings. Yeah, magic one.
Yo, magic wand also, yeah!
Yay.
Wear this.
Papa, that one.
Oh my god! Wait, आपण pony नको बांधूया.
लड्डूची का गई तू? आप हाथ खोल लेते हैं ना?
Chevy. एल्सा दोनों फेवरेट है उसको.
मुझे सिर्फ ऐसा पसंद है.
इसको भी एल्सा पसंद. Chevy, come here. Elsa is doing all household work. Cute. Yes.
तुम्ही काय लावता?
यहाँ पर जाते थे ना बैठ जाते
सब खेल रहे हैं.
Where is Chevy?
स्पीकर राइट
Chevy sitting here. माँ कसम.
1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3.
इतने kids, I cannot handle so many kids. Hi. सगळा ब्लर आहे. So many kids.
Your wand is outside.
अरे यार one.
Your wand is outside.
चला फोटो काढा. केक कापूया. आईचा फक्त फोटो काढा. काही पण झालं तर आई म्हणते फोटो काढा. केक कापा. 2, 3, टर्न. वाव. Happy birthday to you. parties like this for my kids.
True. Neither am I.
Like everybody's talking so loudly, it's just too much. I'm taking like a break. 10-15 minute ka break. Bhakti Didi, how do you feel with
Exhausted.
like no with so many people around you?
You know it already. You don't have to tell you.
Bhakti Didi has a क्या बोलते हैं phobia.
Social anxiety.
Social anxiety. She has social anxiety. Washing hands is also content. Like see, France, this is how you wash your hands. Like this.
Do I need to zoom in?
मानसी,
हाँ.
तो फोन आहे ना तुझ्या ह्याच्याशी कनेक्टेड आहे,
So.
तर तू आत आल्यावर तो हे पण बंद होत आहे, ऐकायला नाही त्यावर.
फोनचं कनेक्ट कर ना मग तू प्लीज ना प्लीज.
ए बाबा पसारा विचार ना
ये हमारा पसारा है.
ये हमारा पसारा है.
आगे का हमें पता नहीं
ये
है.
स्नेल ताई का घर है और ये स्नेल ताई का पसारा है.
स्नेल का घर ऐसा ही होता है.
एंड ये रंजीत है.
रंजीत.
डोंट डू दैट यार.
Hi guys, so it is I think 2 days later, it's 24th and it's 3:30 almost. I just finished filming my foundation routine video. Didn't do anything yesterday. I didn't edit, I didn't shoot, I didn't show my face on Instagram. I was just watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I finished the 4th season and yeah, I wanted to film the Mr. DIY haul right now, but I think it's gonna be very late if I sit to shoot that. Edit नहीं हो पाएगा मेरा दूसरा वाला video because वो मुझे आज ही भेजना है. So I think I'm gonna shoot that someday else. What else? Look at this. I got new things for the ladder. This I got from Amazon. It looks so beautiful, this kaanch ka bowl. Then these Kiran got for me from Crawford Market. She had gone that day. She's like, chahiye kya tujhe lavender color dikh raha hai? So she got this for me. And we have a new candle. The white candle I cannot find. It's, oh yeah, it's there, it's in that pinjara. Can you see that? It's there. But this is, I wanted a new scent today, so this is the rose water ivy. I have already spoken about this in my Jan favorites. So someone commented that day saying, hey, I love your monthly favorites but you don't post them anymore. And I'm like, I have done it the whole year in 19, in 20, and yeah, it's just funny because a lot of times now you guys ask me to make videos और वो मैंने already बनाए होते हैं. So what you have to do is, for example, if you want my foundation routine, so write Mansi Mao foundation, or write Mansi Mao makeup tutorials, Mansi Mao best friend. You will get all the videos. अगर वो करके भी आपको videos नहीं मिले, then you comment कि Mansi we want this video, because it's just difficult for me to reply to everybody saying कि हाँ ये video uploaded है and link भेजो उनको. So it just becomes very tedious for me. Just a hack if you guys are interested. My Starbucks is here and cranberry juice. Yes, मैंने उल्टा करके रखा हुआ है because खत्म होने आया है. Just Indian things. Look at my skin, it's glowing. I like it. I have been craving Starbucks for so long. It's just that my friends are not like free. Like Prerit is busy with his job, CK is out of town, he'll come back in March, and Sahil is dealing with something important, so I can't disturb him also. So I'm just eating by myself. I want to go out and eat by myself. Let me know in the comments down below if you have gone alone to a restaurant or a cafe by yourself and had like a meal. I can do that, like I don't feel shy or sad about it. It's just that वहाँ restaurant तक पहुँचने तक मतलब रिक्शा पकड़ो और वो सब, I don't know. Also, I did not order my drink like what I always order. It looks like this only. It's the hibiscus passion lemonade. It's my favorite drink from Starbucks. I didn't order it because I was like घर पे juice है तो वो मैं पी लूँगा. See, adult stuff. Also, if you ever go to Starbucks and if you want to try any dessert, try the New York cheesecake. It's too good. I mean, of course I like it after the sassy teaspoon wala cheesecake, but this is just too good. Look at this. Look at this. Love it. And I ordered the murg kathi wrap. It's also one of my favorite things to eat from Starbucks. There are very few things which you can actually eat in Starbucks which are like worth the money, and Murg Kathi wrap is one of those things. Hey guys, I have no idea what date it is. Wait, let me check it. It's 25th of February and it's almost 5 o'clock and I just came to the studio. I had to like do some work, that's why I came. कुछ ज़्यादा काम नहीं है. I have come here to sort of clean because I want to show you the mess, and do not mind the noise because सामने ही ना मेरे construction चल रहा है. Can you see? Wait, I'll show you. But there's this big tower का construction going on, so you know that's why मेरी balcony gets so messy. But I feel so bad कि मुझे balcony में बैठने ही नहीं मिलता है. And look at this mess. It's still here because every time we ask for a maid to come and help us, she left. So I think today I am the maid of this house and I only have to figure it out. मेरा tree ऐसा का ऐसा पड़ा हुआ है, Christmas tree. So yeah, काम चालू करना पड़ेगा. I freaking washed my bathroom. Like, if you guys know me, you know that I have drainage hair ka. Like I can't stand them, but I did today. Oh my god, I'm so proud. My mom must be watching this and must be thinking इसने खुद के घर में तो 23 साल में कभी, not 24 years में कभी bathroom धोया नहीं है. Adulthood, man. Wow, I don't even have my hair open to do a hair flip. Just wow. I cleaned for almost an hour and the house is still not clean, and it's just like a studio apartment. Anyways, guys, I have got a pimple over here. I mean, who gets a pimple over here? This is like very new to me. Also, look at my nose crevices. It's so dry that it's blood red because it's so dry. I put sheet masks, I put 3 layers of moisturizers, I put hyaluronic acid, I put everything on my face. My hair is so itchy right now, I can't even. I was supposed to oil them last night but I totally forgot. बहुत editing का काम चल रहा है and it's just chaos. If you ask me one category which is never constant in my life, then that category would be hair care. I keep on changing my shampoos, my conditioners, my hair oils, everything every month. Like, I just love testing out new products because I feel that, you know, my hair quickly gets immune to a certain product. Right now I need to oil my hair. For that I'm using this. This is the Amla hair oil by Wow Skin Science. Now this has the goodness of Indian gooseberry, lemon essential oil and amla extract. This is meant for intensive care for dry, itchy scalp. It is 99.9% plant-derived hair oil. It is non-sticky, non-greasy and a very lightweight formula which gets absorbed into your scalp very easily. Also, it nourishes your roots and protects your strands from breakage. All Wow products are manufactured in India and are free of parabens, mineral oils and silicones. I have a coupon code as usual called MOREMAU that will give you 30% off on their products if you buy from their website, which is Buy Wow. But these products are available on Amazon and Nykaa and Flipkart as well. Don't forget to check out their app because they have really amazing offers on their app. Also, one cool thing is that there is a barcode over here, so you can scan this and know more about the authenticity of this product. I am reading your comments on the latest video. It's all about my fashion show days and my college politics and whatnot, and you guys are going crazy. You're like, part 2 chahiye, ye wo. I honestly thought I will not get a good response because it is like a 30-minute long video. मैं खुद पक गया था जब I was editing. I was like, कितना this girl talks, but you guys loved it, so I am very happy about it. Raha sawal about part 2. Sahil is dealing with something really important. I just want him to deal with that first and then I can ask him if he can come and, you know, talk about it. And raha sawal about you guys asking me ki why have you not uploaded the video. Well, I did upload the entire fashion show sequence on my Instagram, but a supposed college, I so want to take their college's name, but they apparently copied the entire sequence and I think I'm bleeding. Wow, just wow. I scratched this and I'm bleeding now. Anyways, song भी change नहीं किया. They did not change anything. And I was in the audience because I was a pass out and I had gone to help my team, as I said. मतलब मेरी juniors की team जिन्होंने मुझे ठेंगा दे दिया बाद में. But when I went to help them, I was in the audience and I was like, what? And everyone was looking at me. Okay, my own team, Sahil's team, because they have seen me perform this. And they were like, Mansi, ये तो तेरा sequence है, because you were heading this sequence. And I was so furious. हमने ऑडियंस में से चिल्ला चिल्ला के कॉपी कैट करके पूरा सर पे उठा लिया था ऑडिटोरियम. सो इसीलिए आई हैड टू टेक दैट डाउन. बट इफ़ यू सर्च माई, मतलब पीपल आर सो वियर्ड, दे जस्ट यू नो रिकॉर्ड इट एंड विदाउट इवन आस्किंग फॉर परमिशन दे जस्ट अपलोड इट. सो पूरा का पूरा फैशन शो अपलोड हो चुका है, किसी और ने अपलोड किया है. मेरा लास्ट ईयर का भी है, मतलब 3rd ईयर का है, 4th ईयर का है, आई थिंक 1st ईयर या 2nd ईयर का भी होगा, आई डोंट नो. इट ब्रेक्स माई हार्ट बिकॉज the sequences that I have choreographed वो मेरे यहाँ से, दिल से और दिमाग से निकले हुए हैं. I have not copied anybody. There were times when I remember I was asleep. Okay, so एक sequence था जो मुझे नहीं जम रहा था and नींद में I cracked that sequence with the same beats and I woke up at 4 AM. मेरा डायरी था मेरे बेड के नीचे, मेरी आदत है रखने की. I took out that diary and I wrote that sequence down. So yeah, that's the reason why I have not uploaded it. And I can see a cheaty. Oh my god, this thing has to go for wash and those things also, वो पिंक और वाइट, बिकॉज मैंने बालकनी से सारा निकाल दिया जो भी था, बिकॉज उस पर इतनी धूल है. एंड माई मॉम इज़ गोना बी सो पिस्ड एट मी राइट नाउ. शी इज़ गोना बी लाइक, ये क्या है, अभी तुझे काम वाली आए का. मैंने मस्त अच्छे से चंपी कर दिए बालों की. आई फील सो गुड. और मुझे वो भी इचिंग जो हो रही थी ना बालों में, वो पूरी चली गई है. आई एम सो हैप्पी. एंड टुमारो आई शैल वॉश माई हेयर. एंड क्या है करना है, और कुछ नहीं करना है लाइफ में, कुछ है ही नहीं करने जैसा. Okay, so I just realized that I have not ended this vlog, so here I am doing the ending. And you have to excuse the bikers noise, then the construction noise जो मेरे ऊपर चल रही है और जो मेरे सामने चल रही है. Can't help it. Mumbai is never gonna be construction noise free. Anyways, so I wanted to talk to you guys about this new idea of giveaways. Okay, so how I always do ना कि Instagram पे tag this person, that person, follow me here, there, whatever. And I don't really do YouTube के giveaways. I'm gonna start doing them religiously in the month of March. And I have not decided yet कि ये सिर्फ vlogging channel पे होगा कि main channel पे भी होगा. So go ahead and follow on my main channel as well. It's called Manasi Mau. So I have 2 channels. One is Manasi Mau and then there is more Mau. So right now what I'm gonna do is ये वाले वीडियो के जो comments होंगे, I'm gonna go through the comments. I am gonna select one comment, okay, जो ये वीडियो पे आएगी, and I will reveal that comment in the next vlog. For example, say Priya Mahajan. I just made that name up. I don't know that girl, whoever that person is. So say for example Priya Mahajan ने कुछ तो comment किया अच्छा, and I liked the comment. So next video में मैं वो comment बताऊंगी आपको, and I will say that you know Priya Mahajan is the winner of this giveaway, and that girl has to contact me either via Gmail or via my Instagram, whatever it is, however you want to contact, and give your details and I will send the products in. अभी इसमें मेरा कोई भी motive नहीं है. Okay, I am not gonna tell you to tag anybody or follow me anywhere. Of course I am gonna be biased towards people who comment on my videos every day because I remember their names. Okay, so yeah, let me know तुमको कैसी लगती है ये idea. I think I'm gonna implement that idea for sure. So basically you don't have to do anything to enter the giveaway. If you comment something nice, that means you have entered the giveaway. And yeah, I'm not gonna reveal the products also, but you guys know I am very generous when it comes to giveaways. At least 4 to 5 products होते ही है of good brands and very expensive products also sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna give out products from MAC, Face Shop, Nykaa. There are so many products I can't even remember. So yeah, if you're interested, comment something nice and maybe your comment will be selected in the next video. And yeah, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you liked it. Okay, let's take a retake. That is it for today's vlog, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe kar lo yaar. We have to reach 50k very soon. And yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Hey, my cutie, my cutie, hey, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, tell him give me one.